Hey y'all, hey, this morning for lunch for my boys, I'm gonna make them a bagel pizza. I'll show y'all what it's looking like. Some grating mozzarella cheese. Use all the cheese. Use all the pizza sauce. Okay, to lunch for today is the pizza bagels, grapes, Little Debbie Nutty Bar, yogurt, sour cream and onion chips. One person get barbecue chips because I ran out of sour cream and onion, but they've still got the bagel pizza, grapes, yogurt, and Little Debbie Nutty Buddy, and finish it off with a red Powerade. And I was drinking me a raspberry ginger ale this morning. My drink of choice these days. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Well, it's a rainy day. It's been raining all morning, all afternoon. Haven't done much of anything. I wanted to get my steps in, but Evan and Jakari were too fussy. So hopefully I can get my steps in later on. But yeah, it's raining today. Haven't done much. I washed the dishes. Well, I was on pause on them because I had to go tend to Ebony and Jakari. So I'm still working on the dishes. But right now I'm just catching up on Big Brother. Watching the episode of Big Brother. Well, I didn't get to finish the dishes. Ran out of detergent. Well, dish liquid. So I'm gonna go to the store. I also need some laundry detergent, some fabric sheets. So I can get all that in one walk. Give me some dish soap, some laundry detergent, fabric sheets. You might as well pick up some toilet tissue too. And they'll have enough for toilet tissue. That's it. I keep my scarf on. It's raining. It's raining hard too. I'm putting my boots on. My rain boots. I really need to go to the store, but look at the rain, man. It's raining hard. But it ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna go to the store. I got a hoodie. I put my hood on. I'm not sugar. I'm not gonna melt. It's raining hard. Ooh, I ain't get too wet. Well, I gotta get that wet. I told y'all I was gonna keep my headband button on. Let me get on to the store.
Vouchers are accepted. Operational hours are from 5:30 a.m. to midnight.
You might wonder, John Legend.
I hope they got everything I need and want up in here. Cause I ain't coming back out at all.
There's going to be one of these days, I'll keep saying it. One of these days, I'm going to be tired of complaining about this. Working, I can't wait to start working. I need some money bad. So once I start working, and I'm just excited to get out of this shithole. So thank you for helping me get out of this shithole and like putting a smile on my face when I'm going through shit. But thank you. So right now I'm on my way to my goals. I'll see you when I get there. Oh, and I think I know what's wrong with my planner.
Well, I was finally able to finish the dishes and I refilled my bottles. Cleaned out my bottles and refilled those. And my glass of water I was working on. Fresh from the well. I'm gonna get my steps in, but I ain't gonna be able to count it because the kids in there watching a movie, so I gotta find a different spot to step. You gotta be in the living room, they're in the living room watching a movie, so I gotta find a different place to step where you can see, where I can record. I'm gonna have to take the sound out because of the movie that they playing. It'll be alright. I add my own music. Alright, let me get this step in. Well, I finally got my steps in. I did 100 for yesterday because I did not do steps yesterday. So I first set 100 was for yesterday. Then I decided to do a calisthenic break. Did some stretching, and then I did some squats, and then I did some more stretching, and then I did my 100 set of steps for today. So a total of 200 steps and some calisthenics. Whew. I really feel it in my thighs. But I can see that I'm tolerating a little bit more. So I can't wait till that 100. Stepping 100 times don't feel like anything. Well, I'm going to keep it up. What I'm going to do now, get ready to go cook that pork steak like a roast with some potatoes in there, some carrots, and put it in the oven. Then I'll make some green beans to go with it. So green beans to roast with carrots and potatoes. And I don't know if I should make some bread. Should I make some cornbread? If I got some cornbread mix in there, I'll make some cornbread. If not, I'll make some sweetbread. I know I got some sweetbread mix. Something like a blueberry muffin or wild berry muffin, something like that. Well, let me get to it.